Numbers. Yes, numbers. Today you will learn the numbers that is from 31 to 40. 31 to 40. So are you ready to learn the numbers? Here we go. 3 1 makes the number 31. 3 1 makes the number 31. 3 2 makes the number 32. 3 2 makes the number 32. 3 3 makes the number 33. 3 3 makes the number 33. 3 4 makes the number 34. 3 4 makes the number 34. 3 5 makes the number 35. 3 5 makes the number 35. 3 6 makes the number 36. 3 6 makes the number 36. 3 7 makes the number 37. 3 7 makes the number 37. 3 8 makes the number 38. 3 8 makes the number 38. 3 9 makes the number 39. 3 9 makes the number 39. 4 0 makes the number 40. 4 0 makes the number 40.